Here's our easy broccoli salad with bacon, cranberries, red onion, and a zesty dressing. We need 1/4 of one medium red onion. We chop it small, add to cold water, and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. This is called deflaming. After a quick rinse, the onions will be crunchy but won't overpower the salad. Now for the broccoli. You can use both the florets and stems for this recipe. Simply chop them into bite-sized pieces. We need about 1 pound. For the stems, we remove the bottom inch from each stem and use a vegetable peeler to peel away the tough outer layer. Removing it reveals tender broccoli that's perfect in this salad. As always, the full recipe can be found on Inspired Taste. Now that we've got our broccoli figured out, we need some bacon. This is 4 slices of cooked, thick-cut bacon. See our recipe on Inspired Taste for our favorite way to cook it. Grab the bowl with your broccoli and throw in the bacon, a 1/2 cup of dried cranberries, and the deflamed onions. Last but not least, we need to make our dressing. Stir together a 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Now pour about 3/4 of the dressing over the salad and toss really well. If it seems a little dry, add the remaining dressing. And that's it. Easy broccoli salad with cranberries and bacon. It's crunchy, salty, and sweet. We love it. As always, the full recipe with lots of tips is on Inspired Taste. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.